Hi guys, to receive these amazing high quality binoculars for viewing purposes. They are perfect for boating or yachting, doing some sports, making some bird watching, auto racing like F1, which is nice, horse racing, to go hunting, and go to the theater, and to the beach, or any travel that you want to make. They come in this very nice travel bag, as you can see. It's all black, and place the back. It has protections on all the lenses, which is nice, and it has this strap so you can hang it around your neck and have them easily accessible at any time. Okay, so well, as you can see, I'm here outside because I'm gonna watch some things like birds and everything that are be here. So let's go. So they are quite nice. It has from 10 to 30 magnification. It has here the lever and you can adjust it, which is really nice. And in here has the focus, which is also very nice. Okay, I like that it has these kinds of accommodation, and it's perfect for a gift, for anyone who likes to do outdoor activities. They will like it very much, and they are really nice. It has a great grip, which anti-slip plastic, which I like it a lot. So I would actually really recommend them. See you guys.